Well, it's very, very cold out today. Not as cold as it was yesterday, but still pretty cold. And I just happened to be doing some work out here, so I figured, why not make a video of this thing? I've had this for about a year now, and I've been meaning to make a video of it, but I just never got around. This is probably one of the strangest appliances I've ever come across, though. This is a Mimar... Fell focus. Come on. My Marvel hair dryer. I'm not joking. It says hair dryer on there. Mimar Products, Brooklyn, New York. Dang. I don't know why my camera won't focus. But it's a model BFH-25, 120 volts, 60 cycles. That's the on-off switch, and this controls the settings, heat setting. It has cool air, low heat, which is 600 watts, and high, which is 12. So the story behind this is, about a year ago or so, there was this place down the street that was basically a junk store. It was full of all kinds of random stuff. And one day I just happened to stop in there because I thought there might be some fans, and there were a few newer ones, but nothing really that special. And then I saw this thing, and I wasn't really sure what it was at first, but it looked like a fan, and so $10 later I brought it home, and when I took a closer look at it, I saw that it said it's a hair dryer, and I thought, what? I don't know how this qualifies as a hair dryer. I guess you could set it on a table and have it blow on you while you sit in the chair. But for a while I just used it out here to keep it warm, because it actually puts out a lot of heat. So there's the motor. Now, I haven't cleaned this up yet, so this is as is when I got it. These legs on the bottom actually fold in. I guess that's to make it easier to store. So, yeah. Anyway, now someone obviously replaced the plug, but I do think this is the original cord. I'm not sure how old this thing is, but if I had to guess, I'd say probably 50s or 60s. So anyway, I will plug it in and turn it on. So I'm going to start on cool air. Actually, there's a pretty good amount of air. Turn it to low heat. So yeah, if anybody has another one of these, or as like an ad or something for him, I would be glad to see it. But yeah, there you go. This little Mimar little hair dryer. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.